tomorrow, all sectors of persons in Jamaica Island will be out there tomorrow. And if there's something have to start.
Yes. All comrades, calling all comrades, there will be a protest tomorrow at the Emancipation Park, 10:30. We will be protesting. We, the Portmore residents, will be protesting. And we will be calling for the resignation of Andrew Holness. We're calling for the Prime Minister to step down, and we will be protesting for the return of Houston money as well. All the issues them that we need to protest about, we will be doing it tomorrow. So I'm calling all comrades who live in and out of Portmore, join in with us tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. at Emancipation Park for a protest.
Jamaica, we're ready. We're done with him. After we were gone, and we go. And a time for him to stop with this. He must go. We don't need you. Damn evil.
Andrew fi come out. Andrew must leave. The man have a demonic spirit in him when decide say him not left. And the man not have nothing name shame. He not have nothing name remorse in him. No conscience, no nothing drunk or near me out. Dog name out in conscience. Nothing name conscience.
And we have to go stand up on him. We have to stand up on him. Jamaican men. Wanna step out with us as ladies. And who know if they have the full backbone, wanna turn up with we. Poor people no come out from corner to corner, just Waterford and whatever. From corner to corner who can come out because the man a mash up with hustling. Because poor people do hustling to live. I hit the man want mash up.
It's too long they are getting away with these things, mounting up on top of mountain. This man, people that say they're tired of PMP and then give this man a chance and put him in there. Know that the people then put him a chance and decide say they don't want him no more. What is wrong with him? In now call the election, all him a do a push this and a push that, take up all of the money them, put on underneath him mattress, in a safety box them, in a shoes, in a sock.
Jamaican men wanna step out with us as ladies. And who know if they have the full backbone, wanna turn up with we.
We may not understand, you know. We want to know, we want to understand how Andrew Holness still sitting at Parliament. Remember, say Andrew Holness under investigation, you know, have over 470 million passed through 3 dummy company, you know. Nobody know where them the company do, you know. Dummy company, you know. Which other country that could have happened in that?
Let me tell you something. Andrew have some piece of money there where he might move and he might find way if he try and move them. So you see, let me tell you something, teacher. Andrew are one of the wickedest man ever walk on 2 foot. When me say wicked, enough people are losing their life and enough more are gonna lose their life, you know. A whole heap of something dirty, something going on Jamaica. Jamaica mash up, Jamaica sink, you know. Andrew now let it go, you know. I want peace, I everlasting struggle. Forget Andrew out of the country.
We have to take a stand now. We have to take a stand. So me I call upon the all Jamaica citizens them try to demonstrate, send a signal. Them say we're tired of them now. We have to go there now. We cannot sit down with them slackness already the government. Just throw upon everything in my throw upon.
And that he want. And that he want, and we have to go stand up on him. We have to stand up on him. Poor people no come out from corner to corner, just Waterford and whatever. From corner to corner who can come out because the man a mash up with hustling. Because poor people do hustling to live. I hit the man want mash up.
My viewers and subscribers, Jamaican people cup overflow, you know. And me a beg you for share that live here with everybody where you know. Share this with everybody where you know. Share the video, like the video, share the video, like the video, share it with everybody where you know. Jamaican people them fed up. The people them say them tired of it and them tired of the lies, and the people them say them a go at the Emancipation Park or demonstrate. Today, Wednesday, February 12 at 10:30 a.m. the Jamaican people them say yeah them a go at Emancipation Park or demonstrate. Them tired of Andrew. Them a call for him resign. Them say that he must go. The people them tired of the lie. Them say him now consult with the people. Him government a rob up the money. The hospital now fix. The road now fix. Uno listen what the people them a say. Listen the video to the end and share the video with everybody. Make it go viral. Share it with everybody in the world. The people them tired of Andrew. Time come for you go and
because I was watching the sitting into the parliament. And when they came up with this bill and they start to read out and whatever and they debate and debate, and when they're ready to vote, the PMP was like 10 persons and they vote against it. And then they go back to the other side, the government side, and they ask to read it a second time. The PMP deny it. And they still go ahead and they pass it. They go ahead, the majority vote against it. And all the persons on the opposition side just got up and walk out and they still went ahead with it. And I could not believe it. I could not believe that they passed something like that. And you see, if
government badness them a
sometimes we
use,
have to
sister.
really put
Government
fear.
badness them a
Yes.
use.
And this don't really bring anywhere because too long they are getting away with these things, mounting up on top of mountain. This man, people that say they're tired of PMP and then give this man a chance and put him in there. Know that the people then put him in a chance and decide say they don't want him no more. What is wrong with him? In now call the election, all him a do a push this and a push that, take up all of the money them, put on underneath him mattress, in a safety box them, in a shoes, in a socks, everything when can push the money in a at this of the man,
Yes.
at this of the man. Yes, me I will wonder if you not dig out wall in a house and I push the money them, like they hide when you have what
Yes.
some movie.
Him have too
Because me
much
not see
money,
no
sister.
bank with
Sister, let me tell you
gold.
where the money going. Let me tell you where
Exactly.
the money going. Remember, they say money go through the
Mm-hmm.
mother account. Mother account. Money go through
Uh-huh.
father account. Money go through
Mm-hmm.
the secretary for the constituency office account. You know, hear them they part the sister.
Savior
So the man have
divine
money
Savior.
and him have so much
The man
money. Him can't hide it. Him have to call everybody say come make little run to your office. You couple people don't realize the magnitude of money where them have.
teacher, listen, you see this evening when I listen to them in that place, they don't have no cemetery over Portmore. They don't have no market. They don't have no hospital. They don't have nothing, no farmer infrastructure over there, right? And they don't have enough school over there either, I believe. You understand me? So why is it that now that they want to bring Portmore into a parish, all the plans where they said they have to develop, why they not just develop the place without giving it a parish? It is a political
True,
thing that they
true.
come up with.
And
Why don't they
let me
just
tell you why.
develop
Let
the
me tell you
place?
why. Let me tell you why they're going to change the border now. When they change the border, they're going to cut out some of PNP vote, push the PNP vote in a particular area. And when they do that, that is a sure victory for the Jamaica Labour Party because Warmington did said it about 3 years ago, you know. So the main reason
Yes.
and the true reason why they do it is political. Warmington did say so, sister. Warmington did say so.
Lord. And then that little mouth man, me see him this evening get up and call people hypocrite. And these people are this. And me say, why God can't lick him pan him out? Me say, the way I me grieve, me have to walk when me say, me go in the kitchen and me say to my husband, listen now, me no want watch it, then something or sometime, a topic on Steve,
Grieve you for
because,
true. It grab you for
Andre,
true. It
because
grieve
it
you.
bring up me to hunger, me grieve, man. But then again, me have to watch it because me have, at them, I want to me know everything from. Me learn everything from when me know about what I wanted Jamaica country. You hear me say? So me still have to watch it. Me just have to ask God for just calm me nerve because Andrew fi come out. Andrew must leave. The
True.
man have a demonic spirit in him when decide say him not left, and the man not have nothing name shame. He not have nothing name remorse in him. No conscience, no nothing drunk or near me out. Dog name out in conscience, nothing name conscience.
Because enough is enough now. Enough is enough now. Everybody here hoping that's where the money are try to go now. Enough is enough. We do not need no alligator in Galangwema go. In Galangwema go. Oh, enough is enough. They not even care about boat. They not care about no that. If they not care about boat, you think they care about we? No. They not care about poor people. They not business with we. Backside. We tired of him, man. We tired, sick and tired of him, man. Every day is a different something. Every day is a different something. Enough is enough. People, we not galang out, galang out, galang out. Or let us go out, let us go out. Enough is enough. You might go like same one day at the backside, man. Jamaican men, you know, get up for we country. and help us, the ladies. Let us do it in peace. Now put on a politics in thing. Put on normal clothes and make we go out there. If have to come down the damn alligator and the opposition should even sit down in the house with them again. Backside. When I sit down, people, Jamaica on the rise. The four corner place on the rise up. Tivoli jungle, everybody rise, come and mash way up. Yes, it's in a business with we.
Them can't sit down
Everybody,
for
when
true. They
rise
need to
up,
come out.
he
They
must
need to
go.
come out tomorrow for true. Come out tomorrow.
He must go. We don't need him. He must mash way up. Jamaica, we're ready. We're done with him. After we were gone, and we go. And the time for him to stop now. He must go. We don't need you. Damn evil. We don't want you. We want Jesus. Come with your backside, if I sent him power. Who is you? Who is you? You need to go. And we not sit down. We need it. We not sit down. People, Jamaica on the rise. The four corner place on the rise up. Tivoli jungle, everybody rise, come and mash way up. Yes, it's in a business with we.
Them can't sit down
Everybody,
for true.
when you
They
rise
need to
up,
come out.
he
They
must
need to
go.
come out tomorrow for true. Come out tomorrow.
He must go. We don't need him. He must mash way up. A get away, the man want get away if he ride on top of have we down here. We can chop with freedom. Chop our freedom. And put on police and soldier pan with liquid down. Backside, and then him bringing over military from over where want bring it from pan we out. Yeah. Come and do and feel a mind to do. Enough is enough. We don't need you. Galang where you are go all Satan. Master God, curse you. Because you go take up the hope where you do with it from when you do with we. We don't need you. Go. We tired of stress now. Backside and the common nurse out we dead, you know. Fireman out we dead, teacher out we dead, every backside out we dead. The whole institution of Jamaica collapse. One to the road, one to the backside, yet people them where do thief in. Who not put on something that's then can expose the name. Hello, are you wanna run the country? Are you wanna run the country? You need to backside come down.
We have to take a stand now. We have to take a stand. So me I call upon the all Jamaica citizens them try to demonstrate, send a signal. Them say we tired of them now. We have to go there now. We cannot sit down with them slackness with the government. Just throw upon everything they might throw upon. Right?
People can't sit down, my brother. People cannot just sit down. So no, man. People cannot sit down, so my brother. People cannot sit down and take it. What next? The show needs from the people, the people don't want needs. The show put more on the people, the people don't ready feet yet. What are they going to do? Force the constitutional reform amongst us? As soon them soon
No,
pass that, and when they pass that, at them time, the most away go ball out.
no other parent teacher. He know say nah, he might do everything, because he might lose a teacher. So he might try to do everything to conquer it, but he's not going to get through in the name of Jesus. No weapon formed against him shall prosper. Understand? They might do everything. Understand? Me just Central Kingston, I work with Margaret, you know. And I tell you, say Margaret have him support 100%. Teacher, Central Kingston going back to PMP, me can tell you that.
That is how it's supposed to
Yeah.
go. That is how, and
Yeah.
all them other one they are puff up down at them meeting, we know nobody now support them because Steve McGregor going to win back the seat. We know that.
Margaret are going to win by landslide. Me can tell you, man. Teacher, I can tell you that, teacher. Steve McGregor going to win upon landslide. The whole country is orange.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, there you have it, You heard the people in Jamaica, and you heard the things that they are concerned about. The people are concerned that the government hurriedly passed in the law for Portmore to become a parish without the basic amenities such as a hospital, a cemetery, a market, and other things. They don't have that yet, so why you want to rush to make it a parish? It is all for politics because they plan to call the election very soon, so that is the main reason for it. The people are tired of it. A number of people speak about the whole heap of money where Andrew Holness have where him can't account for. A whole heap of people speak about it. Man speak about it. Woman speak about it. The people are tired of it. The people decide that today, the people them to them are go Emancipation Park 10:30. 10:30 them a go out there and they say they're going to stand up peacefully and let their voice be heard that they want Andrew to resign. They want Andrew Holness to go. So my video subscribers, I don't know, I hear a lot of people saying that they're going. We will see what will happen, my video subscribers. But the people have to stand up. The people have to stand up peacefully. Stand up and let their voice be heard. Because too much is happening. It has been happening for the longest while. And nobody not get all accountable. People get their money raised. Politicians get 300% raise. Nurses can't get paid. Teachers can't get paid. Doctors can't get paid. There is so much that is happening in the country. The country under mismanagement, man. The country is under mismanagement for sure. Everybody can say that. And if the government was really honest with the people, then it would be one thing. But they're telling so much lies. Yeah, man, pure lie them tell the people. They're not being honest with the people, and the people tired of it. Well, my brother subscribers, we will find out what going on with the excitement, and I will bring it to you. But please remember to like the video, share it with everybody where you know. Like the video, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Goodbye. Big up on the